Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwychuk, and I'm here to remind you that if you're interested in learning how to do rational emotive behavior therapy or learning how to use it on yourself for your own personal problems, it would be a great idea to attend my Saturday Rational Emotive Behavioral Conversation Hour. Each week on Saturdays, on a Zoom session, I take a volunteer and hold a discussion with them and show them how to apply the principles and philosophy of rational emotive behavior therapy to a real problem they're willing to discuss in this public forum. We've done it now for over 60 or 65 weeks, and it's been a smashing success. People really seem to like watching other people learn and how they can use these ideas on a wide range of problems. It's held at 9 a.m. Eastern in Philadelphia, which is, I believe, 2 p.m. in the UK, 5 p.m. in Moscow, 7:30 in New Delhi, and 11 a.m. in Tokyo. We've had people from all over the world volunteer discussing all sorts of problems. It's free to attend, and if you want your Zoom invitation, write to me at rebtdoctor@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invitation. I hope to see you on Saturday.